Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device is backed up and you know the Apple ID password. Once done, check active subscriptions and cancel or pause ones tied to your current country. Carriers and Apple Music can block a region change. Next, remove any region-specific payment methods and prepare a payment option valid in the new country or buy a local App Store gift card. Now open Settings and go directly to your Apple ID account to begin the change. Proceed to Account Settings and select Country/Region, choose the new country and read the terms. You must enter a valid billing address and payment method for that region, use a local card, or redeem a region-specific gift card during this step. If you hit errors, sign out of iCloud and App Store, then sign in again after the change. Once accepted, open the App Store and search for apps previously unavailable, download or repurchase, where needed, and grant requested permissions to complete the transition. Finish by checking subscriptions and purchase histories to ensure nothing was lost. Re-enable services such as iCloud Drive and payment methods for the new region. Make sure app updates complete and that location-based features function correctly. If an app still refuses to download, clear App Store cache by tapping 10 tab icons or sign out and back in. Restart the device and retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID and proof of payment for the target region.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.